All right, welcome to Code 5 Art. Today is another letter study, and today we are going to do the letter K, if you didn't gather that from the thumbnail. But let's dive in. First of all, we want to understand where I'm going with this, so let's take a little preview. There we go. Now let's go back. How's that sound? Let's get into it then. Alright, got a bunch of styles here, but let's keep in mind that I do have videos for all the previous letters. If you look in the description, I'll have one for each of these letters. Now that I have the pencils done for the letter K, I can go ahead and just dive into the penmanship. All right, so that's all we have today. I'll try to do this as quick as possible, but let me know what you think. What's today's date? I think it's the 20th, something like that. As always, like and subscribe, but thanks for hanging out, guys. Have a good one.